If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then have a look at this 2022 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Sting Gray. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 91186A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.